So far, crypto and NFTs have either been a niche interest or purely an investment opportunity. But Dogami has put a whole new twist on blockchain technology and Metaverse with its new pet dog simulator, which combines true digital ownership with gaming. You might think that a pet simulator is a decade-old concept, since Tamagotchis were all the rage back in the day. And everyone remembers the 2016 summer when Niantic launched its augmented reality game featuring the popular franchise Pokemon. So what sets Dogami apart? Dogami is an open-world game based on blockchain technology, specifically Tezos, and issues in-game tokens, Doga. Dogami aims to build a community of people with shared interests through its open world, also referred to as Metaverse, while also promoting the values of Web 3.0 by employing blockchain technology. The game not only offers an exciting gameplay with captivating game mechanics, but it also offers play-to-earn opportunities. But is man's best friend in the Metaverse actually good for making money? Keep watching this video to find out. And before we begin, welcome to Invested Knowledge. Knowledge is power, so make sure to subscribe to this channel for up-to-date, essential knowledge to become more successful in life and in business. So what is Dogami? According to Dogami's white paper, it's a play-to-earn, Metaverse-ready virtual companion. Players can engage in various activities in the Metaverse, like adopting a dog, playing with it like you would its real-life counterpart, earn by contributing to the game, compete in various in-game events, and socialize with other people. The main objective of the game is to develop the best and rarest Dogami, which is your virtual four-legged companion. Each Dogami goes through different life cycle phases, from puppy to adult and spirit. In order to level up your avatar, you need to look after it like a dog in the real world and participate in mini-games that are inspired by real-life activities performed during different stages of a dog's lifespan. Every decision you make in the game has a direct impact on the value of your NFT. Apart from the entertainment element, Dogami offers pay-to-earn mechanics as well, which are covered later in this video. Take the gameplay, for example. Dogami's gameplay is centered around the objective of leveling up your dog avatar. The dog's life cycle is characterized by 3 phases: puppy, adult, and spirit. Each of these stages require the player to perform certain actions to further level up, and reaching higher levels unlocks more features in the game and makes your avatar more valuable. The first phase of the dog is the puppy phase. In the puppy phase, you're supposed to nurture and raise your puppy. The idea behind this phase is to introduce the new players to the game's mechanics and develop a bond between them and their virtual best friend. In this phase, you'll be able to interact with your virtual companion in an immersive, augmented reality experience. Mechanics of the puppy phase include nurturing, cleaning, potty training, petting, playing, and learning tricks. Performing these actions will result in enhanced stats of your avatar. The puppy phase is followed by the adult phase, which unlocks different career tracks and training activities in the form of single-player and multiplayer mini-games. The career tracks include police dogs, firefighter dogs, farmer dogs, space dogs, yoga dogs, skater dogs, etc. Players who complete their career tracks are offered a badge, which acts as a certificate of completion. Badge holders are awarded voting rights, which can be used in governance events. The frequency with which you play the game will determine features and value of your NFT and your daily rewards in the form of Doga currency. The adult phase also includes the breeding feature, and players can choose to put up their Dogami for sire and who they want to breed with them. Details of the breeding mechanics are covered later in this video. The final phase of the game is the spirit phase. When Dogamis complete their puppy and adult phases, their physical form is transcended into the spiritual realm, where they take form of a spirit. Not much is known about the spiritual phase, except that Dogamis lose their ability to breed when they become spirits. However, the company claims that as spirits, Dogamis will take a role of a mentor for younger dogs or host in-game events. Another hyped feature of the gameplay is the annual Dogami Olympics, accessible in the adult phase. During the Olympics, Dogamis will be able to participate in a multiplayer event in exchange for a fee paid in Doga. The event will be a winner-takes-all event that will give the participants the opportunity to win rewards and climb the leaderboards. The mini-games will be based on real-life canine sports, and players will be able to compete against each other. Examples of games anticipated to be part of the Dog Olympics include agility, canicross, and flyball. Features of a Dogami. Since Dogami avatars are basically NFTs, they are all unique and are defined by several visual and non-visual features. These features are important since they determine the rarity score and the scarcity rank of your Dogami. These scores and ranks are then translated to the real-world value of your NFT. Visual features include the eye color, fur color, and breed. Non-visual features, on the other hand, include personality, dog stats, which are vitality, robustness, intelligence, friendliness, and obedience, body attributes, dog group, and gender. Stats reflect the strengths and weaknesses of the different breeds, and each stat can be slightly improved throughout a Dogami's lifespan via participation in in-game events and activities. The stats will determine your dog's performance in future competitions and the number of rewards you get. Dogamis can also be personalized with accessories that can be bought from in-game shops, which add to the immersive experience and excitement offered by the game. Breeding. Breeding is a central mechanism to the game. Once you reach the adult phase, your Dogami acquires the ability to breed. Throughout the game, over 300 breeds are planned to be added to Dogami. The first stage will feature dog breeds in the real world, followed by selected crossbred species, and after these first two stages, players will also be able to crossbreed their dogs, the outcome of which will be determined by genetic algorithms and artificial intelligence. Breeding mechanism will have certain rules that will determine when and with whom the Dogamis will be able to reproduce. So far, we know that Dogamis will not be able to breed with their family members. Only female dogs will be able to give birth to puppies, and male dogs will be able to sire. And breeding will only occur during love seasons, which is the time when dogs are fertile and able to breed. Breeding will also be constrained by certain requirements, namely that the Dogami must be in the adult phase, have remaining breeding count, and not be in a recovery mode, which is the period after a dog is given birth. Male dogs have a lower birthing count than females. There are two main ways to find breeding partners. One, through Love Garden, in which male dogs can be listed against a fee, 20 Doga, and female dogs can request breeding. 2, breeding with owner's kennel if both dogs are owned by the same player, in which case the sire fee is also waived off. In the first method, the male dog owner receives a sire fee and the female dog owner receives the puppies. Breeding fee is based on the rarity of both mating partners and breeding count of the female. Every new puppy comes in a puppy box. Each puppy box contains one puppy. The puppy inherits genes from both its parents, and the rarity of the puppy will be determined by the rarity of both parents. How to earn money from Dogami. So how does the play-to-earn work in Dogami? The play-to-earn aspect of the game isn't as straightforward as it seems to be. You can earn Doga tokens by completing daily tasks linked to training and bonding with a Dogami NFT. There are also certain milestones that reward Doga, such as logging in daily to encourage consistent play. However, the amount of currency you earn is linked to your bonding level and booster level, the former being a more important factor. The daily reward system starts by giving 5 Doga a day, and by level 10, the number increases to 50. However, any inconsistency in gameplay can drop your level significantly, and it's impossible to regain that level on the same day. The booster level is a multiplier that ranges from 0.5 to 2, depending on how quickly you attend to your avatar's needs. So your investment could be reduced significantly if you're not a regular player. As of now, the game is still in its launch phase. You can see your puppy and sell them on the market, but you can't play with it in the game. The company has announced its plan to launch the game aspect in July this year, at which point you'll be able to download the game on your phone and start grinding for leveling up and rewards, and also play with your virtual companion. The insistence on regular gameplay seems daunting at first, but several giants in the gaming industry have expressed their faith in the Dogami project. The advisory board includes influential names like Sebastian Bourget, COO and co-founder of The Sandbox, and Yat Sui, chairman of the board of Animoca. Furthermore, Dogami has raised funding from renowned gaming companies like Ubisoft. This proves that the portfolio of this company is pretty solid, and if names like Ubisoft and Animoca are pouring so much money into it, they've done their homework. Love it or hate it, the Metaverse is the future, and Dogami has carved out its space in it. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. I hope all the shared information will be helpful for you all. And if you have any questions or doubts, please leave it in the comments section. Don't forget to like and turn the notification bell on for more informative content.